Good evening, everyone. I'm Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I'm presenting the Financial Times newspaper headline. So, first of all, Peshawar blast, Moscow bomb kills at least 59. Next, Brussels counters US green subsidies with push to ease curves on state amid. Next, Abu Dhabi's IHCs boots Adani shares sale with pledge to pump in $400 million. Next, Johnson and Johnson blocked from using two-step in talc battle. Next, Wirecard nearly exposed. Next, German recession looms. Next, Bolsonaro 6 US visa. Next, Premium League digital beat. Next, Turkey splits NATO hopes. Next, sexual content law storm piles pressure on Sanchez. On page number 2 in international section under that, German optimism hit by recession fear. Next, Meloni is making it harder for NGOs to rescue migrants at sea. Next, Spain sex offenders uh, early release rocks PM. Next, Turkey to assess Sweden and Finland NATO bids separately. On page number 3 in international section under that, Berlin confronts historical unease before breaking tobacco war tanks. Next on page number 4 international section under that, Bolsonaro applies for 6 month stay in US. Next, NATO chief urges Seoul to give Kiwi military aid. Next, Fed expected to remain hawkish despite inflation easing. Next, Dutch master Rembrandt works to go on display in Amsterdam. Next, Mongolia suffer loss on airline revenues and disrupted imports in Ukraine war fallout. Then it comes to page number 5 in his sports section, in companies and market section under that, EY came close to stumbling upon Wirecard fraud in 2016. Next, ball and blockchain, Premier League back Sorari, NFT, fantastic football game despite crypto crash. Next, judge rejects bankruptcy move in Johnson and Johnson talc lawsuit. Next, Barclays and CEO Venkat are haunted by the spectre of Brahmanson. On page number 6 in companies and market section under that, 888 outs chief in dirty money inquiry. Next, Spain's largest lenders limber up to challenge European 3 billion windfall tax on profits. Next, Renault and Nissan strike deal to salvage alliance. Next, Shell launches shake-up under new chief. Next, Ford cut prices of Mustang in EV's arm race. On page number 7 in companies and market section under that, Blackstone steps up US aviation in move to boost property fund returns. Next, Goldman in Russia asset deal with two former staff. Next, arrival van startup to cut job after picking new chef. Next, lobby group wants growth in annual report to stop. Next, Ryanair heads for strong summer after record profit. On page number 18, companies and market section under that, traders bet on surge in demands as China pivots from zero COVID. Next, central banks set to lift interest rate to 15-year high as investor jitters grows. On page number 9 in companies and market section under that, concerns remain as valuation reset ripples through. On page number 12 in art section under that, hotline to the unconscious. Next, Yuva Bank Rachmaninoff व Peino concertos. Next, barrage of booing for a wartime staging. Next, on page number 13 in that, Adani affair is a test for India INC. Next, we should be more honest about family advantage. Next, Britain needs fairer and more sustainable student funding. Next, social insurance is better way to fund the NHS. Next, let's cap fees for Russian work at legal aid rates. Next, what Chauvinist snipping says about Twitter culture. Next, dissidents in Iran offer new template for martyrdom. Next, on page number 14, in opinion section under the attack, kids are already after all. Next, how the war in Ukraine meet the culture wars. Next, three ways to read the deglobalization debate. That much for today. Thanks for watching.